The Lely astronaut milking robot is specially designed to serve the cow fully, without disturbing the animal in any position. When the cow enters the robot, it will be recognized automatically and the pre-milking program will start. The robot already knows the cow's coordinates and the brushes can directly start with the pre-milking program without any time wasted for scanning. From each cow, the data is stored in the T4C program. She automatically will be treated according to the information available. All different settings can be changed individual for those exceptional cows who need a special treatment. The teat brushes are specially designed to thoroughly rinse the teats and udder part, so that contamination of the milk is utmost minimized. Brushes are necessary to realize a well-based cleaning process. The specific brush settings are automatically, but also can be changed individually for those exceptional cows. The Lely milking robot has some main advantages focused on brushes. The teats will be cleaned by the brushes, which will assure that the teats are rinsed thoroughly. The brush's hairs will clearly rinse the existing dirt in between the skin folds of the teat and leaves the teat dry after treatment. With a brush, cleaning of the teat is done more thoroughly than only with water. Actually, this is in every situation. A second but very important function of the brushes is the stimulation it creates. A calf drinking provokes a tactile stimulus which results in a perfect milk letdown, so the calf can drink without any discontinuance. This stimulus will also be provoked when the brushes of the Lely astronaut are in contact with the cow's teats. The brushes provide a physical stimulus on the discrete nerve ends which are situated in the teats. Already with the first touch of the brush's hairs, such a stimulus will be created. The tactile stimulus signal is picked up by the sensitive ends of the nervous system and directed to the brains. The signal arrives in the spinal cord, which is situated in the spine of the cow. Eventually, the stimulus signal arrives in the cow brains, where in the back a small organ is located. This organ, called the pituitary gland, has an important task within the hormonal regulation of the cow. Among other things, it takes care for the production of the hormone oxytocin. The pituitary gland discharges the oxytocin in the blood vein, after which the heart will pump the oxytocin through the body. Through the aorta, the blood takes care of the oxytocin transport to the fore milk quarters, where it reaches the myoepithelial cells. Myoepithelial cells are little muscles that surround each alveolus. When the oxytocin concentration in the blood is high enough, the myoepithelial cells surrounding the alveolus will start to contract. Also, the muscle tissue around the small ducts are stretching and relaxing alternated. The milk is propelled out of the alveolus into wider and wider ducts, after which the milk arrives eventually in the mammary gland. Here the intermammary pressure will increase. This will result in a non-interrupted supply of milk. As a result, the milk will go from the mammary gland into the teat. There is a perfect milk letdown and the cow will be milked out easily, completely and efficiently by the Lely astronaut milking robot.